Hi, in this video we will go over the Bandwidth Manager feature in Skydog. The Bandwidth Manager provides a way to allocate a guaranteed minimum amount of bandwidth to a particular zone. This allows you to control and prioritize your bandwidth for specific purposes. First, turn on the Bandwidth Manager. In this example, I have three distinct zones: a home, a guest, and a work zone. My current setup is showing a balanced approach with equal amounts of bandwidth across the three different zones. However, I can change this. If I click on Edit, I can move the sliders to adjust the amount of guaranteed bandwidth for a particular zone. Now in this example, let's say I have a work zone and I work from home. Well, I want at least 50% bandwidth guaranteed for my work zone so I know that there are no interruptions. And I know that my guest zone is only for a few particular users in very rare circumstances, so I'm giving that my lowest percentage of 10%. Now I simply click on Apply, and you can see that my allocation is now adjusted across the different zones. It's also important to note that there are given templates for the Bandwidth Manager. Skydog automatically comes with a balance template and then a template for each zone, where that particular zone is given 80% and everything else is given 10%. You can also create your own templates. Again, when you hit Edit, here I'm going to make some adjustments, and now instead of hitting Apply, I hit Save Template. In this case, I'll give it a name of Workday, and this will be my bandwidth template from the hours of 9 to 5 when I'm working at home. As you can see, the new template I created is now part of the list. Now the last thing to note is that the Bandwidth Manager uses the results from the speed test to determine how to allocate bandwidth. You have the ability to select which speed test you want to use for Bandwidth Manager. You can use the last test result, the best quality test, or the test with the highest throughput. We recommend that you use the best quality test. Thank you very much.